Welcome to this tutorial on how to use TradingView for Forex trading. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of the TradingView platform and show you how to set it up for Forex analysis and trading. Whether you are a novice or an experienced trader, this guide will help you maximize your use of this powerful tool. First, let's start by creating an account on TradingView. Visit the TradingView website and click the Sign Up button. You can choose to register using your email or connect through social media accounts. Once you've created your account and logged in, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the chart area, tools, and indicators sidebar. Next, we will set up our first Forex chart. Click on the search bar at the top and enter the currency pair you wish to analyze. For example, let's search for the euro versus the US dollar. Select it from the drop-down list, and you will see the chart loading. Adjust the time frame according to your trading strategy. You can choose from 1 minute to 1 month. Use the tools on the left side to draw trend lines. Add indicators like moving averages, and mark support and resistance levels. Finally, let's discuss how to save and share your analysis. After customizing your chart, you can save your work by clicking on the Save button in the top right corner. You can also take a screenshot and share it on social media or within the TradingView community. TradingView also allows you to create watch lists for different currency pairs, making it easy to track your favorites. Remember to explore the public library of scripts and indicators tailored for Forex to enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!